I'm so happy that I get to spend my day off with my two dogs, Teddy and Sam. Oh! Where's Sam? Oh my gosh, I'm really starting to get worried. Where's Sam? I can't find him. At least I still have you, Teddy. I'm gonna give you to Kyle so I don't lose you too. Here you go, Kyle. Take good care of him. Alright guys, I'm gonna go find Sam. I'm gonna find him. I hope these posters help me find my dog.
Dude, you made me drop my phone.
I'm sorry, I'm just looking for my dog.
Ain't my dog.
Relax, I'm just trying to find him.
God, he's a jerk. You finished?
I really hope someone calls. I'm starting to get really worried about Sam. My last hope is if the neighbors have him. Have you seen a lost dog?
I don't want anything you're selling.
God, my hopes have been crushed. Maybe he'll be more help. Maybe this guy will show more compassion for my lost dog. Sir, have you seen a lost dog?
Nope.
Wait, just wait. Just let me ask this one question.
Wait. Don't kill me. You're the guy who knocked the phone out of my hand.
No! No! Ah! God! Where is he? Oh, there he is. Nobody, baby. I found him.
I say y'all having a good time out there.
I'm so happy that I can spend my day off with my two dogs. Sam. Where's... Oh shoot, hold on. What was I supposed to say? I'm gonna put up these posters to help find my dog. Have you seen a lost dog?
Nope.
Maybe my other neighbor will be nicer. The door's open. He left it. Maybe my my other neighbor will be nicer and show more compassion. I just grabbed them. Have you seen a lost dog?
Nope.
Wow. Hurry up! Have you seen a lost dog?
I'll kill you. Where's my dog?